It's not the most common one, but I think it's a very good colour combination. Navy blue with tan interior. Whew. Happy days. Anyway, I'm going to need to find out what exhaust this has got on it because it sounds flipping naughty, mate. It's lovely, this. So yeah, it's going on AirREX struts and Air Lift 3H management. So yeah, it's going to have a bit of a surprise in store for you as well on this one. So keep watching.
That's how you do it, motherfuckers. So that'll be recessed. So this is for the Ferrari controller mount. And the idea is to copy where the stereo goes and the gauges, where the insert is black and it's got the trimming of leather around it. So that's what we're mimicking here. Controller's going to fit in like so, and you'll have a border of the leather trim with the black surface, and that will meet basically the stereo panel underneath the dash.
We've got the car, the Ferrari on bags now. It's roughly been set up. So we just got a few heights to play around with and the height sensors. But what we're going to do is try the wheels from that Ferrari on this Ferrari, 19s on R1. The stock ones are not 18s at the moment. So what we're going to do is just put wheels on one side, drop the car down, and see where roughly it's going to fit. So as soon as I've swapped the wheels round, I'll do you a quick shot to see where the car's sitting to give you a rough idea. Then we'll know where to play around with it. As you can see, the wheels are now on the car. They look pretty good. I think the spacing's about right. Car needs to go a lot lower. Probably about 1 inch on the front and 1.5 to 2 inches on the rear. We'll see how much play we've got in the shocks. We can lower it and see how it goes from there. Right, so we've finally finished the 355 now. It's on air, it's on height sensors, the build's done, controller mount's done, drives great. The only thing left for this car is when the customer finally gets his wheels is to bring it back so we can fine tune the heights, make it sit where he wants and adjust the height sensors to that. So a quick run through what we've done. In the front over here, we've done it in basically a custom build with some panel work, leather work. We've had the tanks done in leather with the Ferrari logo in it. We've painted some hard lines to match the colour of the car. We've added lighting, and that's about it. So you've still got a tiny bit of storage left, but not a huge amount. So you can get an overnight bag in there on top, which I've made another panel which can support all that. Along on the inside now of the vehicle, we've got a custom controller mount underneath the dash. I'll open the door up so you can have a look at that. So just underneath the stereo there. We've also added the Pioneer flip out screen, which has got DAB, CarPlay, Android Auto, and all the gimmicks that you need really. As a test fit, we've put our own Rotiform wheels on it, just to give the customer an idea of sort of the offsets and the sizes. So today is collection day for Chris. Let's hope he likes the car and the way it drives. We're certainly happy with it, and we'll give you an update as soon as he gets here. There you go, what do you think?
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, I've done a great job.
So we've done all that work. We had to shape the wood to how we needed it.
Okay, there's just about enough room to maybe get something in there, right?
You'll get a night bag in there.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah?
That's mega.
You like that?
Yeah, look, I'm steaming up, I'm so excited.